Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks on array. Okay, sometimes suppose we have an array and let's create an array first. Sometimes we have array like this. We have a student array and let's print this. Okay, so printer $student. Okay, so this is the array. Sometimes we need to use this value as a key, means we have a array key 0 1 2 3 4. In this way, if we have multiple students, suppose this is mark and mark@email.com. okay, so we have an array like this. Suppose I want to use this name as a key, okay, and by that key we can access that, or role as a key. So by that key we can access the array. Okay, so how it's possible? Actually we have array function. So to use any array function we need to use the illuminate support array, and let's just call this array function. So simply array, and here just use the keyBy function. Okay, so this is the function, and here we can provide how to reorder our array. Means we have a student array and I want to get the array by using name, so we can provide any key. So this is the name, and finally if you just provide the new array student new array. Okay, so just print that, we can get the new array. Okay, so now refresh this, we are getting the John data. So here we are getting all the value from John. We are getting the Mark, that means all the value related to Mark. Or if you want to get by roll number, that it's also possible. So just if you provide the roll number, and by the roll number you can access the full array of John. You can access the mark data by their roll number. So this is the cool things, and it's very important when you just going to process any large array, or you have a multiple array. From that array you are getting only the roll number. So from the roll number we need to get all the data of the student. So that time your array you can reorder by this way, and you can use the value or array value easily. Okay, so we are getting the roll number, so by the roll number you can access that things. So that's cool and simple. So hope you can understand this, and if you like this video, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. And still if you have any queries about this video, so please comment me in a below comment section, and we'll come with a more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.